Hi guys, this video will show you best ways to play Stickman Hook on PC. Our tool is a power mirror. Download and install the application on both PC and Android device, then launch it afterwards. Connect both devices using a USB cable. Then, open the app and tap the M button at the lower middle part of the screen. Select the name of your PC and then tap Start Now. Finally, open Stickman Hook on your phone and start playing. We also provided some tips and tricks for the game. First is to hold up, slow down, and do not rush. Make use of the double-faced platforms to crack all levels. Then, take your time to think a better solution on how to complete difficult levels. If you find it hard to complete the game, you can watch the video ads and just skip the level. And this is the best way to play Stickman Hook on PC. Thanks for watching!